Tucked away in a quiet Hillsboro community, this beautifully updated condo offers a perfect blend of comfort, privacy, and modern design. Positioned on the peaceful northwest corner of the building, it's in a prime location, close to Tanasbourne shopping, local restaurants, and major employers Nike and Intel. Inside, the spacious, light-filled main level welcomes you with new flooring and an open-concept layout. The living room centers around a cozy gas fireplace, while the kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, and bar-style seating. Step out to your private patio, a perfect spot to unwind with your morning coffee or take in the sunset views. Upstairs, both bedrooms feature new carpet, generous closets, and beautifully updated bathrooms. Every detail reflects thoughtful care and modern comfort, making the home truly move-in ready. The HOA covers water, sewer, and trash, making ownership easy and affordable. Enjoy the convenience of direct garage access and an additional reserved parking spot. Stylish, comfortable, and ideally located, this Hillsboro condo is the perfect place to start your next chapter. For more information, please contact Chris Olson with Premier Property Group.